How to buy Amnis Finance token. So this token came under the symbol of AMI. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it will be listed on MEXC. So what you need to do, just go and open your MEXC account like that. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, remember to go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now, that's what you need to do. Go back to this token page, as you can see on MEXC, or on X, sorry, and you will be able to find this token name. Now, copy it. Go back to your account and in the search bar, paste it. And you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it and you will be redirected to this page, as you can see. So what you need to do, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, as you can see, this token will be listed or trade or start in 1 day. So you need to wait 1 day to be able to start trading this token. So as you can see, just wait like a day to be able to buy this token. So as you can see, you can just set the price that you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to find the quantity, and now you can buy this token after 1 day. So this is how to buy AMI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.